times that we don't realize how precious a moment is until it's slipping through our fingers. Today, I invite you to pause and think of the joyous memories you've experienced and ask yourself, would you want to live through them one more time? First, allow me to pay my respect to our guests today. To the Chairman of Committee on Education, Honorable Alexander Yorabo. To our dear school principal, Ma'am Irene V. Campanero. To the principal of Omamas Elementary School, Ma'am Emilia C. Yaona. To our head teacher, Sir Jesse B. Montes Jr. And to the SPTA President, Mrs. Merly B. Bertos. And lastly, to the SGC Co-Chairman, Mr. Sergio G. Colina. Good day. Now, going back to the question I've asked, my dear batchmates and everyone present here today, would you want to relive those memories one more time? Because I would, and although we may not be able to relive those moments exactly as they were, in every dream we chase, every risk we take, and in every new milestone we complete, we honor those memories one more time. And just the same, we honor the individuals who have been with us every step of the way. And so this time, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to express my gratitude to those who have contributed to making it so hard to say goodbye. To my Dolog National High School, to one of the top performing schools in the Division of Eastern Samar, I am truly honored and proud to be here, standing amid dreams in motion. It was here where I learned to dream, to stumble in defeat, to rise in victory, and above all, to stand again after every fall. And I know that many of you did too. So today, I invite all of us to take a moment to express our gratitude to this school that shaped us, to the lessons that changed us, and to the memories that will forever stay with us. To our teachers from 7th to 10th grade, thank you for becoming the light we held on to when everything else felt unclear. To my previous class advisors and to my subject teachers, looking back, I didn't realize how meaningful those ordinary days were. But amidst the chaos, you, our teachers, were the calm in our confusion. And I know alongside my peers, we are grateful to have been guided by the most outstanding, exemplary, and amazing teachers of my Dolog National High School. Thank you. To my classmates, thank you for making this journey unforgettable. And now, after today, we may never sit in the same classroom again. Not at the same time, not with the same laughter, but please know that I am grateful to have met you all. Let's hold on to the memories. Let's not be afraid to move forward, because what's more beautiful than looking back is walking into the future with the people who may not be in your tomorrows, but with the people who made your yesterdays unforgettable. Take this moment, all of us. Let us thank those who have been by our side. Because alongside our teachers who shape us are our friends, our classmates, who walked with us every step of the way. To my family, to my parents, especially my mom, to Lola, to Lolo, to my aunts, and to my uncle. Thank you. Lola, Lolo, thank you for not only providing what I need, but for never making me feel like I was a burden. To my aunt, to my uncle, thank you for always being by my side. Thank you for acting like my best friends despite being a only child. You were the people I can share my problems with when the weight of the world was too much, too heavy for me to bear. Nay, salamat sa pag-tolerate sa akin. I'll make it up to you, I promise. And in all seriousness, to my beloved family, thank you for believing in me, even when I didn't believe in myself. Every time I came home crying, you were always there. And you never asked me to be perfect. You just asked me to try. And you don't know how much that saved me from all this unseen pressure. In the end, Nay, my family, I hope I made you proud. Let's take this moment to thank our family who have been with us every step of the way, because we wouldn't be here without their support. To my close friends, my constants and my chaos, it could be that perhaps as I've gained maturity over the years, I've come to realize that the people we surround ourselves with play a crucial role in our growth. So every now and then, I ask myself, are the people in my life truly helping me become who I'm meant to be? Sometimes the answer was yes. Sometimes it was no, because we can't always please everyone. But in those moments of uncertainties, I found my yeses. I know that the ones who truly matter will stay, and that in itself is priceless. And now I know it's getting harder to recognize how we started. So even as the clock ticks, allow me to share a quote from Taylor Swift. Please don't ever become a stranger whose laugh I could recognize anywhere. Thank you. And to my school publication family, thank you. I'm the kind of student who overthinks to the point of tears, but still, you gave me space, you gave me time, and you gave me trust. To our SPAs, to Ma'am April, especially to Sir Andres, thank you for never giving up on me. Thank you for the patience you showed, even if I didn't win the recent competitions. But I hope you felt the weight of my words and how I poured my heart out into them. I hope you'll remember me, not for whether I was that good of a writer, but for my curiosity, for the girl who liked to ask questions. So in the end, I hope I made you proud. To my fellow completers and batchmates, to the batch that was once shunned by the pandemic, to the batch that didn't get the chance to march in 6th grade, this is our time, our moment to shine. I want you to be proud of yourselves for making it this far. Thank yourself for surviving, for holding on, and for growing. This is just the start. And although we aren't exactly at the end of the finishing line, you can always look back and see how far you've come. So 10 years from now, no matter where life takes us, if you want to get back to this moment, to this day, you can. How, you may ask? Well, that's easy. The only way to travel back in time is by remembering. Let's keep today alive in our hearts so the magic of this moment never fades. Hold on to the memories and they will hold on to you. Lastly, my highest thanks belong to our Creator, to our ever-loving God. Thank you for the wisdom and the strength. I dreamt of this moment, a quiet dream I held gently, never certain that it would come true. And now, when I'm here, I know it wasn't just me. It was because of His grace that guided me to this point. Once again, congratulations to all, to the class of 2025. Thank you for 4 wonderful years, my Dolong National High School. Thank you for making it so hard to say goodbye.